What makes Grammarly the best proofreading tool? Grammarly is the best proofreading tool because it helps you catch every mistake that could damage your writing. It's also great at detecting common spelling errors and correcting them for you. In this video, we'll discuss how Grammarly does these things so well, and how to use them yourself. Grammarly will catch common spelling errors, like incorrect homophones and missing articles. For example, you might have a sentence that reads, "The boy went home," but it should be, "The boys went home." If you write this in your essay for school or work, Grammarly will point out the error for you so that it doesn't get passed on to other people who read your writing. Grammarly alerts you to words that are commonly confused and misused. Grammarly will alert you if you have used the wrong word. It can also tell you if a word is commonly confused with another, and it will even tell you when an incorrect usage is common enough that it would be better to avoid using it at all. Grammarly knows when words fit together better than others. It will tell you the difference between there, and there. It also tells you that affect and effect can be used interchangeably, but only in certain situations. Grammarly is designed to correct your spelling and grammar mistakes automatically so that you don't have to spend time doing it manually after every sentence or paragraph. Grammarly catches incorrect sentence structure, such as run-on sentences. You'll often see a sentence that starts with one independent clause and ends with another but doesn't connect them. This is called a run-on sentence. Grammarly flags run-on sentences by highlighting them in red and giving you suggestions for how to fix them. For example, "I went home because I didn't feel good." If you have an incorrect comma, or more than one, Grammarly will tell you what needs fixing and show an example of how this could be fixed by adding commas or removing commas entirely. Grammarly will flag overused phrases and tell you what to use instead. Grammarly has over 2 million users and you can be one of them. It uses machine learning to detect patterns in your writing and provide suggestions for improvement. The best part about it is that it does all this without ever looking at your text. It's just analyzing the style of writing that's already on its servers, i.e., the content. This makes Grammarly an extremely safe bet for those who don't want their privacy compromised or have sensitive information stored online. Some examples where Grammarly might flag a word as being commonly used incorrectly: I am, you are, etc. But we've also seen many examples where Grammarly has flagged other words as well, like using too many commas, more than 3, in a sentence, or having too many contractions such as don't or can't. Grammarly reports inaccuracies in punctuation, including redundant commas and incorrect apostrophe placement. Grammarly can help you with question mark placement, apostrophe, commas, and periods. It also checks for semicolons and exclamation marks. Update: Grammarly has recently added some new features to their proofreading tools that make it even more useful for writers. Rewrite sentences automatically in the editor, as well as check them, by simply clicking on any word or phrase that needs tweaking. Use auto-suggestions when writing your content so you don't have to worry about making spelling errors anymore. Grammarly corrects your tone, so you can check if the message you're sending is the message you intend to send. Grammarly's free version has 2 features: grammar correction and spell checking. It also offers research capabilities that allow it to learn from previous corrections made by users, which makes it more accurate at spotting mistakes over time. Beyond helping you with grammar, Grammarly will help you improve your writing overall. Grammarly is a great tool for improving your writing skills. In fact, it's one of the best tools out there to help you improve your grammar and overall writing style. Grammarly will help you stop making mistakes in sentence structure. You can use Grammarly's built-in plagiarism checker as well as its advanced plagiarism detection engine that detects even more types of copycat content than before. Latent plagiarism, emails, which detects emails where identical phrases or sentences have been copied from other sources without attribution. Passive paraphrasing, which identifies passive language that is often used by students when they are trying to sound smarter than what they actually are, and more. We can conclude that Grammarly is the best proofreading tool you can get your hands on, but it's not a magic bullet. So, you will still need to be conscious of your own language usage and style. If you use Grammarly as an extra resource while writing or editing, then it can help you avoid common errors and make sure your work is error-free. You will be a happy writer. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, give us a like and subscribe to the channel.